Natural ways to lower bad cholesterol in few days. Cholesterol is a fatty or waxy substance present in the blood, needed for the proper function of our body. However, if it increases above the limit, 200 mg/dl, this is said to be high cholesterol. To keep their cholesterol in check, most people use medicines without being aware of the fact that they are not safe for your health and can lead to various side effects and complications. This means that you should try to solve your problem in a natural way by using homemade remedies. They are completely natural, safe to use, and provide the same effects as medicines, without the side effects. Check out the best homemade remedies for treating bad cholesterol. 1. Honey remedy for bad cholesterol. Sweet and easily available, honey is just the ideal natural remedy for treating cholesterol. It is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Also, it contains antioxidants which can effectively fight cholesterol. They prevent cholesterol to come out of the blood and enter into the linings of the blood vessels. Directions. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to some drinkable water. Add 10 drops of apple cider vinegar to it. You should take this remedy every morning. This will regulate your cholesterol levels. Also, you can add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon to the cup of boiled water and mix it. Cover, and let it stand for 30 minutes. Strain and add honey. Consume it every morning, before your breakfast. 2. Coconut oil remedy for bad cholesterol. Although is a saturated fat, coconut oil is an effective remedy for managing the cholesterol levels. It contains lauric acid which is useful for increasing the HDL or good cholesterol. There is no specific advice for using coconut oil to reduce the cholesterol levels. Just add it to your regular diet and you will experience significant improvements. Make sure not to use refined coconut oil. 3. Orange juice remedy for bad cholesterol. Orange juice is a great source of flavonoids and vitamin C. 2 glasses of plant sterol fortified orange juice a day can reduce the cholesterol levels by up to 11% of the total. It is recommended to drink 2 glasses of sterol fortified orange juice a day to increase the good cholesterol and reduce the bad one. 4. Apple cider vinegar remedy for bad cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar offers various benefits for your body. It is one of the most effective natural remedies for treating high cholesterol. If you do not like its taste, you can add it to some juices like apple grape or other fruit juices. After 1 month of using it, you will notice great results. Directions. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to some water and mix it. Drink this remedy twice a day. 5. Turmeric remedy for bad cholesterol. Turmeric possesses potent antiseptic properties. It has been used to heal the wounds and reduce your cholesterol level. It has the ability to break down the plaque on the artery's wall. Directions. Add turmeric powder to your daily vegetables and food. In this way, you supply your body with the essential nutrients for managing your cholesterol problems. Also, you can boil some water and add a half tablespoon of turmeric powder to it. Add 2 tablespoons of cooked mashed eggplants. Spread this paste on a wheat bread and consume it after the meals. 6. Fenugreek seeds remedy for bad cholesterol. Fenugreek seeds are packed with components which can reduce the absorption of cholesterol which comes from the foods rich in fats. These seeds contain minerals like zinc, selenium, and calcium. They are also packed with vitamins A, B, and C. The regular consumption of fenugreek seeds can reduce your risk of heart attack by 25%. Directions. You should take 2 ounces of fenugreek seeds with water a day. Also, you can take some leaves of fenugreek seeds and include them into your salads. You can use them as spices. Use the leaves of fenugreek seeds as herbs. Soak the seeds overnight so you will eliminate the bitter taste. 7. Apple remedy for bad cholesterol. A great source of flavonoids, Apple is one of the most effective natural remedies for high cholesterol levels. It contains pectin, fiber, and natural antioxidants which will keep your lungs healthy. It is recommended to eat the fruits with their skin. Grapes, pomegranate, and oranges are enriched with fibers and they can reduce the levels of cholesterol in the body as well. 8. Red wine remedy for bad cholesterol. Red wine boosts the good cholesterol levels by 15%. It contains antioxidants and polyphenol. Drinking 2 glasses of wine a day can reduce your level of cholesterol. If you do not prefer alcohol, opt for grape juice which can also reduce your cholesterol level. 9. Spinach remedy for bad cholesterol. Due to its high content of vitamin E, spinach can reduce the risk of heart stroke. Also, it is packed with lutein, which has the ability to prevent the cholesterol from getting accumulated in the arterial walls. You can eat spinach raw. Put the spinach leaves in the microwave and eat it with white bread. This is the easy and effective remedy for lowering the cholesterol levels. Tips on how to reduce your high cholesterol level. Avoid foods with high fat. Avoid butter and dairy foods. Divide your meals into smaller meals. Avoid smoking or at least limit it. Exercise regularly to maintain a healthy weight. You can drink 1 glass of wine after your dinner. Consume fresh fruits and vegetables. All of these remedies are completely natural and safe to use. They provide the same results like the medicines, without the side effects. Try them and enjoy their benefits.